Hi guys, welcome to Tuition Bees. So actually today we are going to discuss about the book which I read recently. So it was a very interesting one. Blue Ocean Strategy by Kim. Okay. So in this book, what I read in this second chapter, that's what we are going to discuss. First chapter actually there's a basic one. It discusses about how a company, traditional circus company forms and what are the disadvantages of it, and how to create a new innovative one from a traditional circus, and how much profit can be get from that, and all those kind of stuff. I felt this second chapter is very much more interesting, and there are lots of strategies discussed in this chapter. So I thought I could share this with you so that it would be very much useful for you also. So budding entrepreneurs, business people, students, college goers, anyone can get useful from these tips. Just try to follow this video. So there are 4 strategies discussed in this chapter. First one is strategy canvas, and second one is 4 action framework. Then we are going for good strategy, and final one is how to have a company tagline. So basically, in first strategy canvas, what we do is how to convert our non-customers to customers. Okay, and then how to eliminate the competitors and to jump to another alternative. So that could be a game-changing one if we do someplace. Okay, that is what is discussed in this strategy canvas. So this strategy canvas is very much important if you want to form an action framework for a business. Okay, then in the second action thing, what we discussed here is 4 action framework. This can be easily kept in mind by just following a simple formula, ER squares C. So first one is eliminate, reduce, raise and create. So eliminate whatever is unnecessary. If you are in a particular industry, so you just have to sit and analyze what other competitors are offering, and just try to cut unwanted cost. Like if all the competitors sometimes they put lot of money on this advertising and those kinds of stuff. Maybe for example, you can cut that and you can just focus on something new, like word of mouth reach or something like that, or through social media reach, something like that. Okay, so that one is eliminating. So reduce is cutting the cost. We have to find out where our business is spending too much of money unwantedly or wastefully. So we have to try to reduce that one. And in the third step, just try to raise what is missing from other competitors. Whenever they provide a service, what is missing in their ingredient. So you have to create that ingredient. That's the 4th step. And once you create these 4 steps, you have a new value code. So this is the basic of your blue ocean strategy here. So once you get this new value code, you're almost done. So now the next thing is to find if your strategy is good one. Okay, so there are 3 tips to find a good strategy. First one is focus. Always begin with the end in mind. Okay, so once you do that, what you do is you just eliminate what your competitors are thinking about or just competing with them. So by doing that, you just reduce high cost. For example, if a person is selling a notebook for ₹5, in order to be successful in the same business, we have to reduce the price and sell it, for example, for ₹4. So what we do is we are just reducing our own profit. So if you are having a clear focus with the end in mind, you just eliminate this kind of competition, and you'll think about a new alternative. Okay, and getting customers from a new base. That is what this focus should be about. And then there should be divergence. Without divergence, you'll be another me too. Everyone will be a 10+1 in the same industry. So that doesn't make any difference, and it won't be much successful. And the third one is you should have a compelling tagline. Okay, so what is a compelling tagline? There are 2 rules, very simple one. So first one is it should convey a clear message, and the second one is it should be able to advertise on offering your service very truthfully. For example, if you're taking companies like Nike, they have a traditional tagline, just do it. So just think about a compelling tagline. It should be short, precise, and once your customers are able to see it, they should be able to recognize what it is about. So all these strategies discussed here are from Blue Ocean Strategy by Kim, and it is just the second chapter I'm discussing about. So there are actually 11 chapters here in this book. So I hope this video is very much useful to you, and I'll try to get some more useful strategies and tips with this book in the coming chapters. So do subscribe, share, and like our videos, and comment your thoughts below. So thank you all for watching. Bye bye.